In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Google Sheets data on a website. We'll walk through a simple method that lets you show a live, interactive view of your spreadsheet directly on a web page, using just a few clicks and a small piece of code. By the end, you'll have your sheet embedded so that visitors can see it without needing access to your Google account. First, open the Google Sheet that you want to display. Make sure this is the exact file with the data you're ready to share. It's a good idea to quickly review the sheet and remove any information you don't want to be public, because everything you publish this way can be viewed by anyone with access to the page you embedded on. Next, go up to the top menu in Google Sheets. Click on File, then hover over Share and choose Publish to Web. This option is different from regular sharing. Instead of inviting specific people, you're creating a public, view-only version that can be embedded in a website. A new window will appear. In that window, look for the Embed tab and select it. The Embed option tells Google Sheets that you want code you can place directly in your site's HTML, rather than just a link. Now you'll be asked what you want to publish. You can choose to publish the entire document, which includes all the visible sheets, or you can pick a specific sheet from the dropdown if you only want to show one table or report. In this same area, you may see options such as automatically republishing when changes are made. Turning that on means that whenever you update your Google Sheet, the embedded version on your website will stay in sync automatically, which is great for things like live dashboards or regularly updated lists. Once you've chosen your settings, click the Publish button. Google Sheets might ask you to confirm that you want to make this content public. Confirm that as long as you're comfortable with the data being visible. After it's published, Google will generate an iframe code for you. This is a small snippet of HTML that starts with the word iframe. Highlight that entire code and copy it. Finally, go to the HTML of your website and paste this iframe code exactly where you want the spreadsheet to appear. This could be inside a specific section, a content block, or a page builder's HTML widget. Save or update your page, then preview it in a browser to make sure the sheet displays correctly. And that's it. Your Google Sheets data is now live on your website and will update based on the options you selected.